Good morning, student. Today will we start class 11th new student introduction in C language. Here, what do you mean programming language? We will be discuss today introduction of C language. C language is a procedural programming language. It was initially developed by Dennis Ritchie in 1972 at Bell Laboratory, USA. As the successor of BCPL, Basic Combined Programming Language, and B, the language can be used with operating system. Here there are different types of operating system. First of all, Linux. Linux operating system is a multi-user operating system and single-user operating system as, for example, DOS, Windows, etc. Compiler of program, the new version C++ of FANCI, C and Turbo C was developed in 1980. We can say that C programming language developed in 1972 by Dennis Ritchie at AT&T Bell Laboratory, California, USA, and latest version of C, it's called C++. It developed in 1980 by Vern Stroustrup and AT&T Bell Laboratory. We can say that the new version of C, it's called C++ language. Here we will discuss next topic, characters of C language. There are different characters of C language. First of all, it is a flexible language so that it is easy to make different kind of program. Second, the program is written in this language can be run speedily and fast. Next, C language is a high level language, but it also has the characteristics of low level language. It's called middle layer language. What do you mean middle layer language of C language? Then we can say that C language is a high level language, but it has also characters of low level language. It's called a middle layer language. Next, the program is written this language can be stored in less memory. Next, pointer are used to make the program in C language. Here, there are different characters of C language. Next, what do you mean? What is a program? C is a programming language. That means that we can use to C program list of instructions for a computer to follow. The C program is the human readable form, while the executable that out of the compiler is machine readable and executive form. Here we can say that program is a list of instructions that can be different type of make program in C language. Here, next topic, structure of C language. Here, next topic, structure of program. तो हम ये कह सकते हैं कि जब भी हम कोई प्रोग्राम बनाते हैं तो कुछ इसके पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू हैं, इनको हम रीड करते हैं. द प्रोग्राम ऑफ सी लैंग्वेज इज द ग्रुप ऑफ डिफरेंट फंक्शन every function is a group of statement and it perform a special task. The first function called by compiler. What do you mean compiler? Compiler is a language translator. Compiler is main function. It must be present in every C language program. It is very important to know the structure of the program. Here we have to write the statement, the program. The structure of the program is written as follows. There are different steps are as follow. First of all, प्रीप्रोसेसर डायरेक्टिव और हेडर फाइल. सबसे पहले हम कोई भी प्रोग्राम को क्रिएट करते हैं तो सबसे पहले हेडर फाइल को डिफाइन करते हैं. सेकंड स्टेप, ग्लोबल डिक्लेरेशन ऑफ वेरिएबल एंड फंक्शन प्रोटोटाइप. थर्ड, मेन फंक्शन. फोर्थ, कर्ली ब्रैकेट ओपन. इट मीन्स वेरिएबल कर्ली ब्रैकेट open. It means program will be start. For fifth, local declaration of variables and function prototype of main function. Here declaration in main function. 6, single or compound statement. 7, curly bracket close. 8, header of function with its arguments. 9, curly bracket again open. 10, local variable of function. 11, single or compound statement. Then last step is curly bracket close. We can say that हम कह सकते हैं कि यहाँ पर जब भी कोई बड़ा प्रोग्राम होता है तो हम इन स्टेप का यूज करते हैं जनरली, नहीं तो यहाँ तक इसको हम क्रिएट करते हैं. प्रोग्राम बनाने से पहले हम कुछ इसके पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल यहाँ पर यदि हम इसको ऐसे कह सकते हैं कि यदि कोई प्रोग्राम क्रिएट करते हैं तो सबसे पहले आपको हेडर फाइल, प्री प्रोसेसर, ये सी लैंग्वेज की आपकी हेडर फाइल है. प्री प्रोसेसर एंड हेडर फाइल. Second, hash define include conio.h. It is console input output header file. Input and output statement को डिक्लेयर करता है. main function, curly bracket open, printf. It is output function. This is simple message, curly bracket close. Here simple program of C language. We will be discussing about detail next topic. तो हम ये कह सकते हैं कि इस प्रोग्राम को बनाने से पहले कुछ इसके डिफाइन या डेफिनेशन या सिंटैक्स होते हैं, उनके बारे में हम रीड करेंगे. कुछ डेफिनेशन हैं जैसे आइडेंटिफायर, वेरिएबल्स, कीवर्ड्स, डाटा टाइप्स एंड एटसेट्रा. इनके बारे में हम अध्ययन करेंगे. नेक्स्ट टॉपिक, कैरेक्टर ऑफ या कैरेक्टर सेट ऑफ सी लैंग्वेज. देयर आर डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ कैरेक्टर ऑफ C language. These are as follow. First, letter. Second, digit. Third, special character or symbols. First of all, we can say that letters. The C letters means alphabet character of all alphabet character of English language. The C language include lower and uppercase letter. Here, for example, lowercase letter means alphabet character of and uppercase alphabet character and lowercase small letter, ये capital letters and ये small letters. digits Decimal digit are number 0, 1, 2, 3, ... 9. And third character set of C language, special characters or symbol. There are different type of special characters. These are as shown in table. First, hash symbol, less than, greater than, comma, semicolon, colon, single quote, double quote, curly bracket open, curly bracket close, equal to, plus, minus, asterisk symbol, percentile symbol, at the rate, question mark, slash symbol, ampersand, caret sign, tilde symbol, dollar, left parenthesis, right parenthesis, left bracket and right bracket, etc. जब भी हम कोई यहाँ पर प्रोग्राम बनाते हैं तो यहाँ डिफरेंट टाइप के जो स्पेशल सिंबल्स हैं इनको यूज में लेते हैं प्रोग्राम के। इसके बाद हम नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इसके कुछ डेफिनेशन हैं उनके बारे में बताएंगे कल। आज के लिए इतना ही बहुत है। थैंक यू।